vlog. Feliz viernes. Happy Friday. You guys, it is time to say goodbye to the red hair. This is the last vlog with the red hair. I'm ready to say goodbye. I'm ready for a new change. Spring is coming, and with spring comes new hair. Refresh. I'm waiting to go see Liz. I'm gonna leave her, I don't know if you're taking new clients list, but I'm gonna leave your info in my description just so you guys can give her some love. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is the only thing I have going on this weekend, and I'm just ready to just let it go, let it go. Okay guys, I'll try to record as much as I can. You guys know how it goes. Once I say that, I never record, but Liz is cool with me recording, so I think it'll be an easy. I'll just record. You'll see. You guys will see. If I don't record on the little camera, I'll record on my phone, just because it's a little bit easier to just whip out the phone in the moment. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm nervous because last time I did brown, I hated it, but hopefully this time we can pull through and we will survive. Yeah, I'm a mess. I feel like I'm a mess right now. But I have my lunch. Hopefully Liz is fine with me eating. But I have a whole bag of lip products. I don't know if you guys care. One day I'll do what's in my lip bag. Well, I'm doing a little what's in my bag today, just because I gotta put stuff in there. Hand sanitizer, AirPods, and then the lip product, and my keys, my wallet. Don't need this right now. Don't need this right now. Alright guys, alright chat, BRB, next time you see me, you'll find a new girl. And I love a girl.
Should this be the
new,
what's it called?
the YouTube
On
clip?
YouTube?
Yeah, it's a little sped up moment.
No,
Get all cute.
what's it called? The cover.
Oh, my thumbnail?
The thumbnail.
Like this. Like. Hair fail?
Yeah.
Clickbait.
Yes.
Yes.
Clickbait.
Yeah, March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring's in just like a spring start to spiral. May bring some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. Showing how you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a merry man. July, that's when I found out. July, August it was baby this, baby that. Like yeah, you're too style. September we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should have been over. November got your mood board.
Wash. And then I used, bro, that's crazy. That's fucking crazy. I did 4-6.
This is what I wanted, yeah. I love it.
Should we take pics?
¿Cómo te sientes de tener una esposa nueva?
Bien bonito. Te ves bien chula.
Vlog, venimos.
Está sucia tu cámara.
Esperen. Hola, vlog. Venimos a recoger.
Una caja de Labubu. ¿Por qué? Porque puedo.
Porque dinero no falta aquí en esta relación. Y venimos a hacer una date night. Entonces enseñamos el procedimiento de recoger los Labubus. Dale.
Hace un chingo no vengo a este mall. Explícales qué es este mall.
Este es el Las Vegas Fashion Show. Aquí tenemos.
¿Dónde está tu sala?
Allá. Aquí está la tienda de el café de Hello Kitty, muy popular entre las chavisas. Está Mid. En la ABC
No sabía que
store.
había ABC.
Sí.
Context, those ABC stores were
All over Hawaii.
all over Hawaii.
Son como los Oxxos de México.
Sí.
Que cae en
Pero
cada...
eran nuestros mejores amigos. We literally bought everything
Yes.
from those stores. The sunscreen and
Jaboncitos,
Jabones,
pasta,
whatever we could find, beer,
Stamasuris,
yeah.
cheve,
oh,
todo.
we're remodeling that store.
Ay.
No,
No way. Órale. Ahí está. Pop more. Mira, a lo mejor tienen las que tú quieres aquí, mira. ¿Sí? Sorry. Sí.
I said Garfield stuff.
How do you feel?
Takes me back to the fucking sneaker era.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you're mega. Labubu. Mega Labubu.
Take it.
Thank you.
Flexeo, flexeo, flexeo.
Flexeo. Sí. Oigan, nomás para que sepan, nosotros vendemos, mira. Uy, se cree mucho, se cree mucho.
Discover the magic that happens when imagination, humor, and cleverness come together.
Okay. Órale. Ah, super mal. Vean esta delicia vlog. Fried rice de pollito.
Great.
¿Cómo? El spicy. Montón. Bueno, vlog, hemos regresado. Our first location. And I'm gonna get Sun Angel or a Suski. ¿Qué tal estuvo la comida?
Huh?
¿Qué tal estuvo la comida?
That shit was fucking fire, vlog.
10 out of 10 recommend.
10 out of 10.
You guys have to go, and if you guys go, let them know that we sent you, and you'll get $5 off. No quedan. Pero los vamos a poner en los clips que agarramos y que les recomendamos.
Yeah, our waiter was, what was his name? Xing Chong Kwan?
¡Cállate!
Xi Jinping.
No le hagan caso, no le hagan caso.
President.
Chao.
What?
We didn't have luck with a Sunny Angel or any Sunny Angels, but we got the next best thing. It's Shimishki, Shimishki. Bobby tiene uno. I don't have any.
Oh, fuck.
So this is my first Shimishki. I think I'm gonna get the one that's laying down. Like that.
What are the options of it? Let me log in on this.
I want this one.
You want that one?
If not, this one.
Oh, this one's cool with the other guy too.
With the baby.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Okay. Vamos a por ello, chavales.
I think these pop.
Ale,
like Sunny
chavales.
Angels.
Sunny Angels pop?
Take the box.
For real?
You squish the box. Oh my god,
The bosh?
I can't talk.
Squeeze your bosh?
When you squeeze the box, it goes pop. Should I feel it? Should I feel it?
This is the one with the baby.
No.
No? Fuck.
Okay, you guys can see first. What is it?
I know, it's not the one you wanted.
Ah, but look at his little head.
Touch it.
He's so cute.
Yeah. Huh?
Oh.
Damn, I can't believe we're saying this is cute.
It's
Look
cute.
at this shit. It's a piece of plastic. It is
Listen,
cute. Though. It is cute.
we're gonna have our house filled with all this stuff.
Yeah.
Be prepared. Okay, guys. Well, that was our little date night.
Our new
And,
family.
and then this is us. We're missing Rio.
Hey, no, okay.
But stay tuned. We might do some fun stuff this weekend, as in tomorrow and Sunday. So you better watch. And you better subscribe.
Today was fucking busy.
Yeah, we both woke up pretty early. Went to work pretty early and just had a hectic whole day, afternoon type of day. So we might just
I'm
go
tired.
home. Yeah, we're just gonna go home and watch a movie or something. Grab a coffee.
Depending on what everyone decides on.
But you're tired.
I am tired though. But gotta do it for the vine.
Nobody has.
Do it for the vine.
Look at all these.
Look at all those chickens.
Look at all those chickens. Alright, vlog. We'll catch you guys up later.
Bye.
No me dejes en tu amor. Me gusta.
Me asusta sentir tu cuerpo cayendo sobre mi piel. Parecemos pendejos.
¿Eres yo? Look, ¿cuántos gastan cuando van a poner gas? All that? Yup.
Yo le doy 38.
39.
38.
39.
No, ya. Ah, 38. 3 fucking
Cents away.
cents away.
Y eso que tenía 2 rayitas. Alright, vlog. See you later. Sí, sí, sí. Chao.
Y se preguntarán por qué tengo esto en la cabeza.
Tiene una
Porque me duele.
migraña.
Porque me duele.
La mamá de la mamá de la mamá. Oh.
¿Qué te volvieron a inyectar o qué?
¿No? Les hablo de ti, ¿no, verdad?
Les iba a poner un tatuaje.
Uy. Comment what color you want on the chat, on the comments. We'll mail it to you.
A quien... Si este video llega, ¿a cuánto es? ¿A
2,000
¿A
views.
cuántos? ¿A 2,000 views? Regalamos Labubus.
Va.
¿Va?
Va.
Si este video
They have
llega...
to comment a color of the Labubus. So it has to be a gray heart, brown, blue, gray, green, pink, or white.
Fuck. I fucked
Fuck
up.
it. Yeah, choose one. Uy.
Pues ya rompí la caja, pero
Aquí están.
aquí están todos los Labubus.
Labubus.
Anyway.
We'll be right back.
That's the best part.
giving?
Hopefully not a pink one.
Hopefully not lychee very good.
Yeah, because already have the.
Which ones do you guys have?
I
I'm
just
not
have
the
this
pink
one.
one.
Just have this one.
Bro, the first one she got is the pink one.
Where did you guys
Green.
get that one from?
The Cloud
Cloud
World.
World.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I want soy milk.
Okay.
Soy milk.
Manifest.
I ain't gonna lie though, it's a gamble at the Cloud World. Okay.
You might spend more
Bro,
than what it is.
realistically, $60
No way.
that we
Yeah.
spent just for a
One?
free one.
Okay.
Up close, yeah.
There's a sticker inside too.
I didn't
Don't look at it.
I didn't look at it.
Oh!
Is that the one?
No, it's the green one.
Is that the
What is
special
it?
one? Nah, it's the
It's
green grape.
It's
Grape.
cute.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
even
Yeah.
paid.
It's really cute. I love it.
I'll be laughing if that's a pink one.
Imagine.
I doubt it though.
Hey, you gotta get the sticker though.
Special order, special delivery. Special
And
delivery.
then maybe toffee.
It's a little chilly.
I know.
You're not cold, bro?
They restock Pop Mart every Tuesday and Saturday, I think.
Oh, neta.
Yeah, my cousin tried to get another box because he already had one box.
Soy
before.
milk.
Oh!
Yes.
Fuck yeah.